Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that the movement of Algorand is very squeezed inside a symmetrical triangle, and I was telling you that soon it can break this pattern. And now you can see that we have broken out the resistance of this triangle, but even after breaking out, there is still a hidden bearish divergence signal on this chart as a stochastic oscillator is forming a higher low, and you can see at the same time not the higher low, higher high, and at the same time price line is forming a lower high. Therefore this is the signal for a hidden bearish divergence, and therefore there is still a probability that the price line may again retest the previous resistance of this triangle as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is happening on the 7 day time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we have broken out this multi-year based resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and from this low to here, Algorand has rallied more than 302%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance zone as well and this rally as well. And I would also like to show you this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Right now, the price line is trying to break out this very massive resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Mbox, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 12th of March 2024, it was moving inside the symmetrical triangle. And by the way, here after this big drop, we found the support on 13th of April 2024. And now after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally, we have broken out the resistance, but still there is a hidden bearish divergence as a stochastic oscillator is moving up and forming higher high, but the price line is forming lower high. Therefore, if the price line moves slightly more up and forms another higher than previous high, then this hidden bearish divergence can be removed from the chart. However, if we have this hidden bearish divergence, this is a signal for a bearish reversal, and therefore we will need to keep an eye on this uptrend line support, because there is a probability that the price line may retest the previous resistance of this triangle or this uptrend line support of the triangle as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, then conservative target for this breakout uh, can be here. That will be exactly almost at this long-term resistance of 30 cents. And you can see that from 25 cents to 30 cents, we have a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that from the month of September 2019, this level is breaking as a support and resistance level. Like here, it worked as a resistance, here as a resistance, support. And for several months, it has been breaking as support. And after the breakdown in the month of November 2022, since then, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And you can see that on this 7 day time frame chart, we have already broken out this very massive falling wedge pattern as well. And we have also broken out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, the lower bands resistance. And now the price line is trying to break out the upper bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Once it will be able to break out this cloud, then this previous resistance of the cloud will be flipped into a long-term support. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.